Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation, and today we are doing a video tutorial on how to mount a network drive in Windows. So first we have to open a file explorer. Now the option we need is underneath computer. You can either left click or you can click on this button that expands the ribbon. But either way we need to click on map network drive. Then we'll have to select it again. Now in this new wizard here, they'll have the option for a drive letter. It doesn't honestly matter which letter you pick, however, I like to pick a letter that matches the information of what I am mounting. Like I'm going to pick S since it's the company storage. Now I have to put in the address or the netmap name of the server. And next we have to put in the name of the folder that we're trying to access. Now I like to select reconnect at sign in, which means that every time the computer boots, it'll automatically mount it. And since I'm using credentials that are different on Windows than the ones on the server, I have to select this option. Next, we have to sign in. Now, I like to select remember my credentials for my own sanity. It does occasionally ask you to do it again. It's no big deal. Just select this if you want and hit OK. And then as you can see, it has successfully mounted this remote drive. Now, I do believe that is the end of our tutorial video. So go ahead and let us know down in the comments what you would like us to do a tutorial video of next. And we'll go ahead and catch you guys next time.